Hi everyone, this is Abhimanyu from Crackit, and today we are going to see the topic of Indian wildlife, which is an important topic for UPSC. Indian wildlife. India is home to a large variety of animals. It is a biodiversity hotspot with its various ecosystem ranging from Himalayas in north to evergreen rainforest in the south, desert sands of the west to the marshy mangroves of the east. And here they had described the mountain terrains from that north side and evergreen forests, western ghats and eastern ghats, desert stands, which is Rajasthan, marshy mangroves, Sundarbans mangroves, the largest mangrove, India, lying within the Indo-Malayan realm, is home to about 7.6% of mammals, 14.7% of amphibians, 6% of birds, 6.2% of reptilian, and 6% of flowering plant species. India's forest land nurture about 500 species of mammals, 2000 plus species of birds. This richness of Indian wildlife has been celebrated since time immemorial. Four of India's national symbol consist of Indian mammals, which are tiger, national emblem, elephant, horse, and bull. The tiger is not lion. India is one of the most diverse region of the world and contain three of the world's 36 biodiversity hotspot. The Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats, the Indo-Burma spot. It is one of the 18th mega diverse country. India is the one of the 17th mega diverse country. Um, the country has seven natural World Heritage sites, 11 biosphere reserves in World Network of Biosphere Reserve, and 37 Ramsar wetlands. The currently 37. Indian fauna. India is home to several well-known large animals, including the Indian elephant, Indian rhinoceros, Bengal tiger, Asiatic lion, Indian leopard, snow leopard, and clouded leopard. Bears include sloth bear, Himalayan black bear, Himalayan brown bear, and deer. And antelope include Chausinga antelope, blackbuck, Chinkara, chital, sambar deer, which is sambar is not eating sambar, it's a deer, Kashmir stag, and Barasinga. It is home to Bengal tiger and Indo-Chinese tiger, Asiatic lion, Indian leopard, Indo-Chinese leopard, snow leopard, and clouded leopard. And this was published by the International Union of for Conservation of Nature. They had given the table, which is least concern, which is neither bothered, which is this is near the near threatened. Near threatened means which is like to be more vulnerable or threatened in upcoming days. And this is vulnerable, which is always in threat by poaching, hunting, and more. And endangered, which is in danger, very danger. And this is critically endangered, which is more endangered. Extinct in wild, like that South China tiger, which is extinct in wild, and extinct, which is that pink duck. These are the main animals of India: Indian rhinoceros, Indian grey mongoose, Indian roller, Indian gaur, Indian monatic deer, Indian peacock, Indian star tortoise. This is barking deer, Indian gharial, Bengal tiger, leopard, Indian cobra, lion-tailed macaque, Asiatic lion, and the gigantic animal Asian elephant. We will see one animals by another. Royal Bengal tiger. Scientific name Panthera tigris. Population according to 2018 census, they are in 2973. And the Indian tiger population consists of world's 75% of tiger population. Conservation status endangered. Food wild boar, chital, sambar, gar, water buffalo, and many more. There are so many national parks, tiger reserves, which are protecting them, and we will see about the Project Tiger. And this is the Western Ghats range, Eastern Ghats, Himalayan range. This is the Seven Sisters, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Tripura, Arunachal Pradesh, and you have Manas, which is a famous national park. You have Ranthambore, you have Bandhavgarh, Satpura National Park, Jim Corbett National Park, Parambikulam National Park, Bandipur, Mudumalai, Nagarhole, and Satimangalam, and many more. Elephant. Scientific name Elephas maximus indicus. Indicus means which represent India. And population 40,000 to 50,000 according to 2019. Conservation status endangered. Food, grass and plantation crops, and many more. And these dark greens area of the main elephant corridor zones. Same like tiger. Asiatic lion. Scientific name Panthera leo. Population 674 according to 2020 census. Conservation status endangered. Food chital, sambar, nilgai, cattle, buffalo, and wild boar. And their ranges Gir National Park. And the historic range comprises till that south and north and till the west and east, all the direction. Because of hunting and many more thing, poaching, the tiger population, the lion and tiger population has drastically decreased. One-horned Indian rhino. Scientific name Rhinoceros unicornis, which has a one horn. One horn means unicornis. Population 2000 according to 2019 census. Conservation status vulnerable. Food branches, and the food is branches, fruit, and aquatic plants. And a famous national park is that Manas National Park, and many more in Assam region. Kaziranga National Park. Kaziranga National Park is a famous national park, and because of the flood in Meghalaya and Assam, the rhinoceros population are suffering, and rhinoceros are very suffering. Indian Gaur is a state animal of Bihar. Scientific name Bose gaurus. Population 23,000 according to 2018 census. Conservation status vulnerable. Food is grass and tea plantation. They are also same like that elephant and tiger population. Leopard. Scientific name Panthera pardus fusca. Population 4,500 to 5,700 according to 2019 census. Conservation status endangered. Food wild boar, chital, cattle, hare, dog, and porcupine, and many more. And these are the leopard populated area. This is the Shivalik, Himadri, and Himachal. I will put you a video on that geography of Himalayas. And this is the Deccan Plateau area, and there is more tiger population in the Western Ghats rather than north side of the India, because the south side is very rather tropical region. So that I will make a separate video on that Earth, India's geography, and world geography. Snow leopard. Scientific name Panthera uncia. Population 516 to 524 according to 2018 census. Conservation status critically endangered. Food Himalayan blue sheep, Himalayan thar, Aragali. Aragali is same like a deer, Himalayan thar, Markhor, and wild goat. These are the snow leopard belong to the um, Ladakh region, Himachal Pradesh.